Hi everybody, this is Ospreyeye from MyChartCoach.com, and we're going to be looking at ticker symbols PULM, BNTC, MYHI, MJTK, and BCEI. Okay, first PULM. This was the big runner today, currently up 148%. Awesome move. It started the day off with this break above the 50-day simple moving average, the green line. We were looking for a run to the 100-day moving average. It broke that and ran all the way to the 200. Now the 200-day simple moving average at 177 is the key level to break. It's going to need to close above that level to get a run to the 237. So a close above 177 puts 237, $2.37 on deck, with the 300-day simple moving average as the next target. Failed to break the 200-day simple moving average, and you could see a pullback down to the 100. Notice there's a huge volume spike today. MACD is reflecting the parabolic move, and now you have FASTO and RSI at overbought levels. Okay, let's look at BNTC. Okay, another big move today. This had a giant gap up open. Check out the average daily volume. Look how thinly traded the stock is. Very, very thinly traded. And then there was this bump on Friday. Okay, that alerted us attention that this stock was in play. What we saw was this volume spike. Whenever you see a volume spike for a thinly traded stock, that's usually your sign that front loaders, people are like taking positions early, and then boom, today there's this giant move on huge volume. The long upper wick on today's candle does show profit taking, okay, and there's also a lower wick on the bottom channel of the candle off of the 300-day simple moving average at 224. That is the key level to hold and turn into support. Okay, so yeah, this is an odd chart, thinly traded. Be careful with these kind of plays. They can be easy to buy, but once the volume dries up, you don't want to be around because they can be tough to sell. Okay, let's look at BCEI, up 42% today. Another stock that had a big gap up open. Okay, notice the gap up open was above this 300-day simple moving average. Today, a black spinning top here is forming above the upper Bollinger Band and above the 300-day simple moving average. Generally, when this type of pattern forms, the candles will work back into the bands. So look for support to hold here at 246 zone, and bulls want to see that level turn into support. There is a gap now between the close on Friday and the open today. So if there is a pullback below the 300-day simple moving average, that gap could fill. So going forward, candles forming above the 300-day simple moving average will signal more upside potential. So you're going to want to see that level turn into support for the next push higher. There is a giant volume spike today. This MACD bull cross down here signaled the start of this run. If you look up here, there's a ADX. There's a bull cross here with plus DI crossing ADX, the black line. RSI and FASTO are back at overbought levels. During this past run, check out December, there was this big run. RSI was above the overbought zone. So this could be the start of the next push higher. It all depends on the 300-day simple moving average. Turns into support, then the run should continue. Now here are two of the marijuana sector stocks that we posted over the weekend. We posted some MJ tickers, and these were stocks that we said were in play. Keep an eye on them. MYHI here up 95% today. You could have caught this yesterday and been on it early if you would have viewed our chart over the weekend. So keep an eye out for that. We had this trade here set up with this triangle pattern. Notice that there was this the candles had come to this flex point here, and so we were looking for a break above resistance. That happened today. We wanted to see a break above the high close for the first week of January, and so once that happened, that signaled that the stock was in play and heading higher. So now we're going to be looking for more upside potential for this play. Look at the giant volume bar. Follow the volume. So if you like over-the-counter stocks, we do cover those as well. So please check us out for more information on these plays. We have MJTK here, is another play that we posted over the weekend, and it's huge follow through again today. Actually, members in our chat actually were entering down here on Thursday, so this is a giant move. I mean, check it out. We're talking nearly 1,000% move from some of our entry points for some of our members on Thursday. So keep that in mind. Early entry point gets the gets the brass ring, and so now we with this break above the 50-day moving average, our next target is the 100-day simple moving average. If that gets tested, that could be a tough level to break. All right, so keep an eye on MJTK. It's got a lot of volume, and it's heading higher. It's starting to get frothy. You've got FASTO is it hit above 80, but it pulled back with this pullback. So there is juice here. You know, it's below 80, and RSI is still below 70. So you know, we're looking for the run to continue as long as support holds. Okay, thanks for viewing these charts. Check us out at mychartcoach.com and our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.